The Ministry of Education, Youth and Information is resolute that no child will be left behind in the new academic year. Support is being offered to students at all levels of the education system, including those with special needs. During a recent virtual back-to-school sensitization session, Acting Chief Education Officer Dr. Kassan Troop revealed the steps being taken by the ministry to meet the needs of students with varying abilities this academic year.
We have a special needs unit, special education unit, and that is run by one of our assistant chief education officer, and we have a full team of persons who continue to work with our special needs institutions. So we have the same kind of support that we provide for our infant, primary, secondary schools. Those special needs schools are also involved in that. We have a special needs team in all of our regions where we have a clinical psych, a ed psych, a diagnostician, and we have a special needs coordinator. And they support the special education unit and education officers to reach out to all our special needs students and to respond to their needs.
In order to uphold the social distancing guidelines required by government, special education institutions will also receive additional teacher support.
The needs will vary. For example, there are some students who will have to get teachers 1 to 3. So for every 3 children, there's 1 teacher. In some cases, for every 8 children, there's 1 teacher. Those situations are different from the normal schools. So we provide that as well. So if they have to come in, we make sure that the attention that they desire and deserve is there for them.
For those students who will not make it back into the physical school setting, the ministry has committed to providing shadows or caregivers where necessary.
A number of our students would need a shadow or a caregiver when they are in their physical classrooms. We have also reached out to our parents for those students already, and we have indicated that if it is that they need to recruit somebody from their location to take over that role, we have committed to compensating that person. So we have made sure that if it is that there needs to be a caregiver in that home to support the learning, we have committed to compensating those caregivers to carry on that support in the homes.
Students with special needs will also be receiving technical support in the form of tablets and educational software to aid online learning.
We have partnered with a number of foundations locally, and they have provided a number of tablets. UNICEF, Digicel, and other institutions committed to us some tablets for our special needs students, and we have started to distribute those already. We loaded our e-resource application on that, which gives them access to over 112 applications and solutions for learning. Specialized softwares are loaded on those for our special needs students, and we continue to make sure that all of them have the resources that they need. We are getting the e-resource app into the App Store. So for those parents who are procuring their own devices, we have prepared the Bring Your Own Device policy, and that will be shared with our schools very shortly, and that will guide you parents into what to procure. The specifications as to what to procure is in that policy, and it is shared with our schools. So get in touch to make sure that whatever you're buying can support the applications, can support the learning activities that are being planned at the school level. I don't want you to go out there and randomly procure. We have also gone ahead and shared our specifications with the local distributors and suppliers. So what they are buying for resale, they are buying those that are in line with the standards of the Ministry of Education.
It is evident that the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information is committed to supporting all students in the new academic year, whatever their unique educational needs.